I think... Wait. Could it be? No, it can't be. But it is! It's a helicopter! Mom must have done something really bad. It has a joystick, a motor powering the main rotor, and a tail rotor. I'm getting word now that the police aviation unit will conduct an aerial search. Here they come now. I'm not so sure this footwear is appropriate. And this seems a little bit dramatic. The pilot is conducting his pre-flight checks. We don't have much time. Mom is still on the run. But with a bird's eye view, the police should be able to find her quickly. But first they need to taxi out of the hangar. The ground crew guides the pilot with hand signals. Here he comes. Good thing this helicopter has wheels.
Kilo Charlie, main rotor engaged.
Switch on the rotor. Oh my, the blades are actually spinning.
Clear for takeoff.
Throttle up. Here he goes. Higher, higher, higher. She has no idea what's coming. I think I lost him. We'll see about that. What is that? Good thing she has a pink vehicle. It makes her so easy to spot.
I see hope.
Now that he found her, he can land in her path. Put it in driving mode. Here she comes up the trail. Ah! She wasn't expecting this, but she's able to get around him anyway. The ground chase continues, but Mom seems to have a slight advantage.
I'm gonna use my megaphone.
These engines are so loud. A megaphone will definitely help.
Stop! 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 Stop!
Mom knows she's caught. That officer doesn't seem happy with her.
You're under arrest!
This just in, the criminal has been captured. I'm headed to the scene now. Looks like Mom is finally cooperating with the authorities. He's putting her in jail. What did she do?
You could be yacked now.
Oh, actually, this isn't so bad. I'm here on scene with the criminal. Let's ask her a few questions. Ma'am, what did you do wrong? I just served him dinner on the wrong colored plate. I didn't think it was that big of a deal. Well, she won't make that mistake again. Now here's how you can play along at home. The police have set up a barricade in the road. Let's find out why. That looks like a stolen tractor. It's an antique. Ha ha ha, I took this old tractor, but he's coming to the barricade. Well, that didn't work. He crashed right through it and left a huge mess. I'll start my pursuit. The police pull out down the road to give chase. He's hot behind that tractor. They speed through the stream. But here comes a mud bog. This might be tricky. The tractor's huge tires make it easy. Ha ha ha, I don't think that police truck can get through here. The tractor comes out at the other end of the bog and continues down the road. Okay, I'll try the bog. Oh no, the truck got stuck. I thought that would happen. The tractor's hidden. I hope they can't find me. Police chopper here. Wow, they have a hangar and everything. Open the door. 2 helicopters. Get in the helicopter and come out to the landing pad. Ready for takeoff. Turn on the engine and off she goes. Fly over the bog. He's behind the tree. Here comes the chopper. And the tractor's stuck. Oh no! She's landing in front of him. He looks caught to me. You're under arrest. Okay. Well, that's an unconventional way to transport someone. The police truck reverses back and heads back to base. The trail is steep. I won't steal a tractor again. Now let's learn how it works.
This is how helicopters work.
Helicopters can fly vertically because of the lift created from the main rotor. Real helicopter blades have an angle on them. Let's pretend that this ball is air. As the blades come by, the air is pushed downwards, but it pushes back, and that makes the helicopter fly upwards. We'll also demonstrate with this drone and helicopter toy. You can see that the helicopter toy has slanted blades, just like the drone. Now let's see how he does with the drone. And push the left stick forward to go up. You really got it up there. That's awesome! I love that you built this. This is the coolest thing to build.
Hi, honey. Can I call you back in like...
Pew, pew, pew. Is it funny to see the pink underneath the white? And we've done a lot with this Barbie camper. So far, for the helicopter, what's your favorite thing that the Barbie camper's been?
Rooftop tent camper.
Oh, that was a good one.
Papa.
By the way, where are your shoes? Are these shoes easier?
Oh, that's great.
So what do you want to do? What's your goal?
I want to make a police car now.
Okay, and how do you want to change it?
I need to paint it black.
So the thing is, you can't spray paint over dirt. So now, you gotta clean it up. The most work on a paint job is the prep. It's not the actual painting part.
We forgot to record the painting part.
I really like this for a thumbnail, but the,
You can't tell it's a helicopter.
yeah, you can't tell it's a helicopter at all. Mittens, are you helping me get through this rain delay?
Meow, meow. Daddy, please clean this garage. I'm just doing kid crew stuff and, it's taking a turn. This is definitely more satisfying than peeling off a shellac manicure. And what color was the plate? Blue. And what color should it have been? Orange. Well, that was a mistake. How long do you think he'll be in here? Honestly, I think it'll only be like 10 to 20 minutes. He's gonna be hungry here pretty soon, so he's gonna let me out. I'm sure of it. Well, she won't make that mistake again. Thank you for watching Kid Crew. Please like and subscribe.
Were dispatched for reasons unknown at this time. Looks like Mom is trying some tricky moves through the grass to lose him. Throw it in reverse and resume the high-speed pursuit. But will it work? Mom is out front, but the police are right on her tail. She's swerving off into the woods. He missed the turn. Time to correct. I think he's going too fast. Will he make it? No!
Ayastro!
The police officer launches himself out of his vehicle. The police must have a trick up their sleeves.